All right, good morning. This is what it looks like today if you're heading out the door over into downtown Los Angeles. We have some cloud coverage, that marine layer. I mean, it is getting, earlier this morning we had a little bit higher of a ceiling, and I was mentioning that there are a couple little components that I was looking at this morning. There's an inversion, there's a pretty robust coastal eddy that is helping to just smash this down to the surface. So I think that later on this morning we might see this enhance and get even thicker than where we are right now. So we might see a reduction in temperatures along the coastal community specifically. So I might have to just shave off a few degrees there. But we're back to about 62 degrees right now in downtown Los Angeles. This is what it looks like in Long Beach, just socked in. You can't see through the lens at the moment. We're back to 63, and right now it looks like about 2.5 miles of visibility, probably in this area a little bit less than that. And then we're also, I just have to point out Santa Clarita, 79 degrees right now in Santa Clarita to start out the morning. It is very, very warm. The reason this is happening, we have compressed dry air moving right through your region. You can see the wind barbs just sliding down that hillside over towards Antelope Valley, Santa Clarita Valley. In addition to that, I want to mention that that's also the place that we're going to see that red flag warning today. And you can see why. I mean, we just have a lot of that dry air coming through your area. Relative humidity levels in that specific spot are down into single-digit territory, at least yesterday, and will be today. We have excessive heat warnings too, so if you're not in that particular spot, you are dealing with probably some heat in our inland areas. We do have heat advisories, excessive heat warnings, and then we also have an excessive heat watch, which is just kind of directing us towards the future. The watches are letting us know that something's ahead, and so we're watching out for the next round of hot weather, which happens on Saturday and Sunday. We do have this though too, that red flag warning I was just mentioning. Now it doesn't just include Santa Clarita Valley, it's also the Antelope Valley desert communities. We're heading into Santa Paula all the way up towards Northern California. Even San Francisco is under a red flag warning. 100 to 110 degree temperatures here at home. We have relative humidity around 5 to 15%. Winds about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts isolated could be as much as 40. That's enough of an ingredient, 3 ingredients in particular. I'll add in a fourth. We have very dry vegetation to put us in this red flag warning category. All right, we have high pressure. It's settling right over Central California right now. And so with that, we're going to keep high pressure in place and locked in for the next few days. We also have an area of low pressure up towards the Pacific Northwest that I'm waiting for it to swing on down and bring us some cooler air. When does that happen? I do see it finally in the 7-day. It's going to be Wednesday. Wednesday, we have a cool down, but hot weather, the heat wave, it continues all the way through your Saturday 104 and then also your Sunday 104. So we're really not changing our temperatures much as we get into the weekend. All right, let me get you to the 7-day really quickly. For Los Angeles and Inland Orange County, it's 90 today. Then we're up to about 91 on your Sunday and your Monday. So heating up quite well. Over into areas of our valleys and our Inland Empire, it's 100 a day, but 98 on your Friday. And then we inch closer towards those 103, 104 temperatures, even 106 in some of our Santa Clarita Valley communities by Sunday. And the coastline today, 75, and eventually we'll get up to 79 at the coast on your Monday.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.